Ay mahal. Di kong di ba't mabuting nasa kanya ka, ngunit ang puso ko'y hindi makayang mag-isa. Paano tatanggapin na di ka na sa akin, gayong ikaw pa rin ang tinitibok ng puso't damdamin. Sakaling ako'y kailangan, maaari mong tawagan, pagkat pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y talagang walang hanggan. Sakaling ika'y iwanan, agad mong maaasahan, buong pusong maghihintay sa'yo, dahil kita'y mahal. Sakaling ako'y kailangan, maaari mong tawagan, pagkat pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y talagang walang hanggan. Sakaling ika'y iwanan, agad mong maaasahan, buong pusong maghihintay sa'yo, dahil kita'y mahal. Dahil kita'y mahal.
Ang sarap ng boses niya. Alam mo, pag ganyan, naaalala ko yung friend ko sa Guam.
Talaga?
Babatiin ko lang. Kala mo, ikaw lang may friend sa Guam. Ako rin. I would like to greet my friends sa Guam. Sila Mary Jane, mga Samson family. Of course, to my, ang tawag ko sa kanya, para kong kapatid yan eh, but we call him Papa J. Papa J, we miss you very
Papa
much.
J. Oh, di ba?
Ba't parang natahimik ka?
Wala naman, nakikinig lang ako eh.
Okay.
Senti. Okay. For your transport service needs, First Imperial Rent-A-Car located at Suite 109 State Condominium 4 Ortigas Avenue, Green Hills, San Juan, Metro Manila, with telephone number 725-2931, 724-9382, and 726 Leia. We on November 2001. For details, call Sonia Dira, 743-4977.
And if you're using your cell phone, dial 02-743-4977. That's all. Thank you.
Alright! Talagang tumitindi at umiinit masyado rito sa lunch break. Kanina lamang po awitan tayo. Ngayon naman, sayawan naman. It's a sextiple. Dance for the young girls out there. As 6 young and hot guys take the dance floor with their
Acrobatic
acrobatics.
stance.
Sick and tired of hearing all these people talk about what's the deal with this hot life.
Break back, tap, down.
Tara na't sumali sa lunch break. Be the next superstar.
Dito lang.
Lady of Beauty is a joy forever with hairdresser and makeup artist Raul Culpar. Lady E Salon, located at Block 17, BF Drive, BF Resort Village, Las Piñas City.
Angelina. We'll see you tonight at the library at